Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica, and this show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. It is Friday, January 27th. We've come to the end of the road of January. You know what? I think I need my extra light on. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So now we got some light coming from that direction. I was like, I have like a shadow or something here. But anyways, kind of threw off the whole video, didn't it? But we're going to get back on track. Thank you so much. Recently we got to 10,000 subscribers, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to also just mention real quickly, as always, please hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, check out the link below to A VO's Journey Elite Academy. We're doing 50% off the first month, and that is all about helping you start and grow your voiceover business to make it profitable and sustainable. So check that out. It's a blast. We have a wonderful community. Love to have you. Also, we have a link below for the Fiverr Mastery webinar that's coming up tomorrow. So you've got like a day. We've got 26 hours because it starts at 2 p.m. Eastern. So I'll put a link below for that. It's amazing. Susan Fouché and myself are going to be leading this webinar and going over 3 main topics to help you knock your Fiverr account out of the water. Okay, so check that out. Those are below. Love to have you. Let's dive into this. And I love this topic today because it came from a person who joined A VO's Journey Facebook group. And the question was, is it too late to, make a career out of voiceover? Right off the bat, I'm going to say no. It is not too late. In fact, it is the perfect time to get into voiceover. And I'm going to tell you why it's perfect time and what you should be looking for to build your voiceover career in this video. But first and foremost, no, it is not too late. Okay? AI is just another competitor, but it's also I guess, there's times where some people look at things as, maybe half full, or some people look at things as half empty. You know what I mean? And maybe I'm such a half, I try to be a half, I'm not all the time. I try to be a half full guy, like a person who looks at the positive things, tries to see, what can we do to use all these tools and new things to further, our own businesses and things like that. And I really think that, AI is a benefit, not a curse that so many of us are worried about. So let me tell you, just briefly why I think, AI is a benefit. So part of our biggest challenge as voice actors, I feel, is getting known, getting in front of the right people, finding people who need our work, right? Who need a voiceover, getting to those places where people are making decisions. That's one of the hardest things. Who do we even contact, right? These things are something as voice actors that we struggle with, especially in the new age of the home studio where we are, in essence, running our own studio business, right? So that is our challenge, is to get in front of people, but that's really hard. And on top of that, there's so many things today with social media that people can use voiceovers for, but they're not even aware that they could, or they never thought they could purchase one, or wasn't quite sure about what would I use a voiceover for, what is a voiceover. And, that's where I think AI is coming in, and it's going to make a huge impact for us in a good way, because I believe that because of the incredible amount of press, because of the incredible amount of, marketing that these AI companies are doing, right? It is opening up a whole new field of people who want voiceovers, or who could use them, or could think, oh, I could use a voiceover. Maybe voiceovers aren't unattainable. I didn't know that I could afford a voiceover, or how could we use a voiceover? Or now I'm able to use a voiceover. Okay? And you need to think of it in that manner. And that's why I think it's going to be a huge benefit to us. All right? Not, like I said, not a curse. Also, I think that so moving forward to how we benefit from this, is that you've got to think, I implore you to start to think strategically about your business. This is a business. We are actors, we're performers, so we have a craft, but that craft is a sellable product. We sell files, right? We sell art through creative files, in the words of spoken word. Okay, but in the end, it is a file that we are selling. Okay, and by the way, none of this is downplaying what we do. In fact, this is, moving it beyond. We have such a powerful business model that we need to start, more of us really working on treating it more like a business, and we are competing against these other businesses. So again, how this helps is that we have to become better at marketing, better at getting in front of those people, better at saying, why should someone work with me and not AI, or not that. I look at AI as another competitor, right? Not as somebody coming to, that like they're no longer going to want people to do. If you stop and think for a moment, okay, that's never going to happen. There's never not going to be voiceover work available for humans and AI. Okay, it's just not. People are not going to never that's just not going to happen, guys. We know that. All right. What the fear is that it's going to take maybe a lot of work, and there won't be enough to go around. Hence this video. But the reality is, I think there's going to be more to go around, and I think there's going to be more opportunity. What I do believe, though, is that it does take a little shift in our mindset to think, what are we creating? So many of us rely on websites, right? Rely on other businesses to find our work. And there's nothing wrong with that. Part of one of the best places that a lot of us find work, especially starting out and stuff, is Fiverr. So we're having this webinar tomorrow, and it's wonderful. Voices.com, all these different places, which I just did something recently with them. There's these websites, these businesses are great. Okay, but it's also important that we as individual business owners take responsibility for getting our own clients, curating our own work, right? Hearing what their challenges are. I believe that what AI is doing is it's forcing us to become better business owners. Because before, we had just a monopoly on, you need a voiceover, this is what you get. But now it's, you have a market where it's like a client's like, well, what about, AI can, do I have to download, can you do revisions? What are the revision costs? You know what I mean? These people, and what's funny is think about it. AI is not the business model, and everything that AI has been modeled after what we do. So it's not like they're doing anything different. Okay, they're just more competitors. So if you look at it that way, that means you've got to build a better business, a better brand. There's got to be a reason why people work for you. And it could be as simple as you are familiar, you're reliable, you're trustworthy, you have good pricing, you're flexible. Those are amazing. Surprisingly, most of us are not that good at those, right? So I want to just ease your tensions about AI and look at it as a benefit, but as a shift in the mindset that we have to start to work harder at being a better business, not just being better at our craft. So does this mean that we will have to work harder? I do think so. I'm not going to lie. I do think that we will have to work harder, and we will have to be aware that they are competitors. And we will have to start to say, why should you work with me? Think about it. When we go buy something from somewhere, that's basically why, you should buy from us because we're better than XYZ, or we offer XYZ, or, don't go to your competitors, come to us. It's the same thing that we need to do as business owners. You know what I mean? And I think now more than ever, because of AI, there's going to be a lot more opportunities out there. We just need to make sure that we have those positioning statements. We know what we bring to the table, and we're very confident about it. All right? So listen, I hope that this video has helped you. This is an opportunity for us. It's not a curse. Okay? And on top of that, it is an opportunity for the time that we can use AI ourselves to license our voice. Okay, I think it's an enormous opportunity. In the end, it's about what is easier and most cost effective for the client. What is best for them? If you keep that in mind, you'll win every single time. Because and by the way, on a side note, this stuff ain't free. So don't forget that people just they have to pay for AI just like they got to pay for us. And there's going to be better AI and there's going to be poorer AI, just like there's, voice actors who have more experience or less experience, et cetera, right? So it's not the end, it is the beginning. And they are just extra competitors that we have to continue to build a better business to compete with. All right? I hope this helps you. It is the perfect time to start your voiceover business because there is going to be an explosion for the need of voiceover work. And it's not going to be able to be filled by AI because people, trust me, AI is not what everyone is looking for. Okay? It's not. So get on it. This is a great time. This is an exciting time to be a voiceover. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure, again, you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, check out that... the door just randomly opened as my cat. My cat likes to go into my booth and sit down and chill. He likes to chill in the booth. Because it's quiet in there. Anyways, it's like, ooh, the door. Totally, again, got distracted. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget the links below for VO's Journey Elite Academy and the Fiverr webinar tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.